Hey, sorry, this is Mr. Alien Freak. Sorry I got cut off from my last video, part 1, but you're going to want to watch that one first if you're coming to this one. Now, as I was saying, I'm not going to show you how to tear this down right now. I'll probably make another video showing you how to tear down all this stuff here and clean it out. But, now, let's move on to what we were doing. Okay, so here we have the motherboard, everything on it. Now, I find my freaking screwdrivers. Technical difficulties. Hold on a second. Son of a... Hey, I found it. Man. Anyways, yeah. The next thing you're probably gonna want to take off is this. Sorry about that. Stupid. Well, you know what? Take off the fan first. There's going to be a fan right in here. Clearing off any dust off that. And then there's going to be some screws here. Just remove them screws. There's going to be 4 of them. And they could be tough to remove. I'm going to spin this around. There's screws at here. There's screws here. There's a screw here. Screw here. Where'd I go? Alright, there's going to be a screw here. Right. Where am I at now? Okay, never mind. There's going to be a screw. Alright, there's screws. Alright, there's a screw here. Screw here. Screw here. And screw here. Here. Okay. So let me just spin this around real quick. And these screws are probably going to be very hard to remove just because they're ignorant. And yet they might not be very hard to remove. I don't know. Okay. One screw out. Oh, come on, you prick. Well, you get a view of the motherboard while I'm removing screws. Okay, I have no clue what that was, but I don't really like it. Come on! Could really help with the right size screwdriver. Come on, you nasty prick. screwdriver. I don't have my bigger screwdriver in me. Sorry, major technical difficulties. Sorry. I hate this thing. Back down. Ow, what? Come on, you dumb bad word. God, these things weren't even half this hard to take out last time. Holy crap, I got another one. Holy crap. Okay, I got it now. At least I got all the other screws except for one now. Alright. Now that that's over, the whole whatever it took me to do it, like 6 minutes or something like that, you're going to see this. This was right here. Okay. That fan was right there. Now, what you're going to want to do is just wiggle that loose. Okay, see your fan here. Now what you're, just clean it out of all the dust that you can reach, but what you don't want to do is sit here and spin it by itself. If you're going to use pressurized air or a compressor, which really helps you, and you're going to want to hold the middle of it, alright? So that way the fan can't spin, because these things come off their bearings so easy and you'll ruin the fan. But mine, clean. I've already cleaned it and everything, so that don't need to be done. Now you're going to want to just maybe wipe off the inside of the vent here where that old fan was. And then the next thing you're going to want to take off is this cooling unit right here. Okay. You're going to grab your screwdriver and just unscrew that. These are very long screws, but I recommend getting them most of the way out and then going to the other corner, getting it most of the way out. Going to the other corner. Getting it most of the way out. And da 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 da. Let me see. Oh no. Hand is cramping. Well, you know what to do now, so let me just finish undoing these screws real quick. Jesus, these screws are long. Sorry for the bad video quality again. Almost there, almost there. Pretty much there. Alright. Now, come here real quick, more video cuts. Right there. Something that you really want to keep clean, okay? Right there. I'm just gonna lift this up, set it off, and pull this little cord that connects it to the motherboard. Pull this out. Come here. Since our video is gonna cut anyway, I'll finish what I'm saying here in a second. Okay? So, go to part 3.